On mine and Tom's album. Honestly, that was absolutely stunning. I'm guessing the first half was like Welsh, was it? Was it Welsh? I don't know, girl, to be honest. I'm ashamed to say I can't speak Welsh.
Because years ago...
Awful.
I gotta admit, because years ago, when I used to sing this one, every time I used to struggle with the middle verse. So I thought, oh, I'm going to do it Welsh. I'm going to do it Welsh first verse, and the third verse, so I don't have to mix it to the second verse and the third verse.
That's so clever. That was lush. Well done, Rob. Zoe.
Yeah, I was going to say the fact that you chucked Calon Lan in there to make it your own, it was really beautiful as well. The way you sang that, I was really like, even though like most people can understand the words, like you could tell they were emotional words. Like you put like the emotion in that song, in the whole performance was perfect. It was on point. Your control as well. You know, your control is unreal, especially because you were sat down. Like it's not easy to sing sat down. Any singers would know that. It's not easy. The song built as well. It built perfectly. It started off down here and you brought it up and then brought it back. That it was perfect. It was stunning. I love the arrangement, and what a way to end an amazing night. It was brilliant. Well done.
Thank you.
Thanks, Emily.
Yeah, you've got such a pretty vocal on that track then. I loved the backing track and how stripped it was. And it was nice to hear you do something different from last week where you belted it. I love the diversity where you've done the Welsh in the beginning and you made it so vulnerable as well. The light and shade in there where you brought power into it and then brought it back down. It was just a brilliant performance, Rob. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Joey.
Rob, it really was. And it was so delicate how you kind of put yourself into that then. It was really, really delicate. I didn't think you needed the stool, to be honest with you. I think you could have got a bit more out in certain places if you didn't have that. But nevertheless, the way it built, the arrangement at the end where you went up and you started to go up the octave and take that song up, it was just a beautiful build to that song and then back down calm at the end. And for me personally, I said it last week I think, but I believe this is the best I've seen of him ever. And the reason I say that is because it did have more definition going on. You kind of built him more on that part where you changed it up at the end, because you got that range in you know, so show it off, like, you know, and where you've done that just brought it to life, you know. When you got into that middle section, it was like, whoa, he can really, really sing it out, like, you know. So well done on the Welsh in the beginning too, and that little bit of an interesting change there. Like I said, the only thing I noticed in the first verse is where you was being really delicate with that. It might not have been the chair, but just lose a bit of volume, just a little bit of volume. So to remember, if you're going to be singing at that level really soft there, right up nice and close. But that, it takes nothing away from what you just done. Smashed it.
Thank you very much.
Well done, buddy.
Thanks, Joey.